In front of me is OPPO F5 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called OS Launcher from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Hit next. Then next a couple of more times after reading all of the instructions and get started. Close an ad. Hit continue and allow in all available pop-ups. Then choose understand and set all of those wallpapers if you want to. You can also hit skip at the top right corner and exit your app. Then go into settings and scroll to hit app management. Hit default app. Select home app. Tap on Launcher Pro. And wait. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. To make some changes to it, go into Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, you can always go back to the same settings. Select App Management again. Hit Default App, select Home App here, and tap on System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!